Welcome all for today's session. This is Saloni, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, RBBRR Women's College. Today's session we will discuss about cost accounting objectives. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost. It begins with the recording of income and expenditure and ends with the preparation of the periodical statements for the business transactions which take place. Cost accounting is a formal system of accounting for cost in the books of accounts by means of which cost of products and services are ascertained and controlled. In simple words, we can say cost accounting is a classifying, recording, appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of the cost of products or services and the presentation of arranged data for the purpose of control and guidance of management. The main objectives of cost accounting are ascertainment of cost, control of cost, guide to business policy, determination of selling price. In detail, when we discuss about these points, let us discuss about the first point. It is ascertainment of cost. This is the primary objective of cost accounting. For cost ascertainment, different techniques and systems of costing are used under different circumstances. Secondly, control of cost. Cost control aims at improving efficiency by controlling and reducing cost. This objective is becoming increasingly important because of growing competition. Thirdly, guide to business policy. Cost accounting aims at serving the needs of management in conducting the business with utmost efficiency. Cost data provide guidelines for various managerial decisions like make or buy, selling below cost, utilization of idle plant capacity, introduction of a new product, etc. Fourthly, determination of selling price. Cost accounting provides cost information on the basis of which selling prices of products or services may be fixed. In periods of depression, cost accounting guides in deciding the extent to which the selling prices may be reduced to meet the special situation. So these were some of the main objectives of the cost accounting. As you know, cost accounting it is a technique and process of ascertaining the cost. The technique consists of the principles rules for determining the cost of products and services. The technique is however dynamic, changes with the change of time. The process of costing is a day-to-day routine of ascertaining cost. So, whatever transactions which take place in the business are recorded and classified and they ascertain the cost. So, these were some of the objectives of the cost accounting. Thank you.